Welcome back. This is Raymond Stapleton with DragonBlogger.com again. And we're going to talk about this, which is a Bluetooth foldable keyboard. Now, I've done a review for this company before, and I've got to tell you, I was blown away with their product. And I'm hoping that I'll have the same experience here. Now, I'm not going to say that there's going to be very much to this unboxing of this device. It's not really apparent that there's going to be a whole lot in here other than what I need. So I'm going to open it up here. There is a user manual. Now, one thing that I've seen with this company, they do a great job with their user manuals. I've really been impressed with them. Easy to read, very large, and full of information. Okay. I have a USB cable, and again, the standard micro USB cable, and then the foldable keyboard right there. And that is it right out of the box. 3 items. And we're going to go right from here into testing it here in just a moment. So, for now, this is Raymond Stapleton from DragonBlogger.com, and we're going to be right back in just a few moments to talk about, does this work or not.